Talking about periods can sometimes be uncomfortable, but it doesn't have to be. We're all here because at some point, somebody had a period. The menstrual cycle. It's the foundation of our reproductive process, and everyone should understand how it works. Here are the basics. Meet the uterus, located in the lower abdomen, behind the pubic bone. The uterus is shaped like an upside-down pear, but flatter and smaller. On each side of the uterus, there's an ovary, which is where the eggs or ova are stored. Each month, an egg will travel through the fallopian tubes or oviducts to get to the uterus. Ova, ovaries, oviducts. See the relation? The inside lining of the uterus is called the endometrium. We'll talk about what it does in just a moment. The uterus ends at the cervix, which opens into the vagina, a muscular tube through which period flow exits the body, not to be confused with the urethra, which is where urine exits the body. They're separate. Now we know the anatomy involved. But what does this have to do with periods? Short for menstrual period, a period is the beginning phase of the menstrual cycle. You might also hear it referred to as menstruation. Remember the endometrium from earlier? If pregnancy does not occur, hormones tell the uterus it's time to shed this lining. To help do this, muscles in the uterus contract, which results in, you guessed it, a period. Period flow is made up of blood, uterine cells, mucus, and cervical discharge. It can range in color from dark brown to eggplant purple to red to slightly pink. And it's not like turning on a tap. Flow can range in consistency and volume. A menstruator can expect to lose around 60 milliliters of flow during the 2 to 7 days of menstruation. A full menstrual cycle lasts roughly 1 month, but that's just an average. Everybody's different, meaning everybody's cycle and experience is unique. When a period ends, the endometrium will spend about 3 weeks rebuilding itself, and then the cycle will begin again. Periods are part of the human experience. They're not gross or unclean, and they're not anything to be ashamed of. Even if you're not a menstruator, you know someone who is. So, let's get curious about periods. The more you know, the more comfortable you'll be. Period.